Well, we've only been talking about this project, or at least the possibility of this project, for what, 2 years now? And it's finally happening! We're finally getting brand new sand on the beach, and they're moving at such an incredible pace. It is unbelievable. Today is the first official day that crews are on the beach putting sand out here. And we've been here for the past 2 hours watching everything, getting seagull shots for you before this massive storm rolls in. And so right now we're gonna go through what they've done so far, how quickly they're moving, and then bring you some awesome footage from the seagull. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can make fun videos like this. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below, and we're almost at 100,000 followers and subscribers on YouTube, so do make sure you subscribe. Actually, I think we're like 6,200 away. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. This video is sponsored by Cluster's handcrafted popcorn of Wildwood. Fresh gourmet popcorn made daily in mouth-watering flavors like white cheddar, toasted coconut, and garlic parmesan. Visit Clusters on the Wildwood Boardwalk between Wildwood and Oak Avenue, or at clusterspopcornwildwood.com for a delightful Clusters experience. For the past 2 hours, we've been here watching crews do a ton of different work. And so in this video, we're gonna talk about what we've seen so far and then what's going to happen in the future. While the act of actually pumping the sand started today, well, really in the overnight hours, work on this started about a few weeks ago as equipment, pipes, and dredges all had to be brought here to North Wildwood. And so in this video, you're going to see the main dredge, which you've probably seen in many of our other videos. This dredge is used from, pretty much up and down the East Coast, but we've seen it a lot here in New Jersey. They brought that down, they started laying pipes out there, and then they started bringing those pipes onto the beach at 7th Avenue, which where last night, officially, it started pumping out sand. And this is just sand. There's nothing in it, it's just pure sand that is coming onto the beaches. Now, this sand is coming from an area which we're just calling it a borrowed area. It has nothing to do with the inlet. It's not hitting any shawls. This is borrowed sand that's kind of just sitting there, and that sand is what's being pumped on the beaches. For this phase of the project, we're seeing that pipe and that sand being dredged from that borrow area all the way over here to 7th Avenue. You can kind of see the pipe behind me come onto the beach. When we first started, they were actually having the main grate here, and they were pushing out the sand over here on the right-hand side. But at the speed that they're going, because they're pushing out a ton of cubic sand per hour, they were able to stop it over here after pushing over the sand and then move the cage up a little bit further down the beach. Right now, according to them, they're doing roughly about 100 feet by 200 feet of sand a day. So that's roughly about a block. Yeah, they're pumping sand and they're pumping it fast. This is the pipe we were talking about. You can see it comes out of the water. If you look down, you can see that buoy. It goes out to that buoy. That's actually being blocked right now. You'll see in a second. See that buoy there. And then there's another buoy on the left-hand side, which is also being blocked by the truck. You can see it right there. And then that pipe is submerged. And it goes all the way to that big machine out this way. After we watched them bring sand onto the beach here at 7th Avenue, they were able to move to the next section because they already had enough sand there. And in order to do that, they had to disconnect the box. They moved that to 6th Avenue, and now they're extending that pipe. Essentially, they're just getting other pipes and just putting them together to make it longer, which is pretty neat. I am no expert when it comes to projects like this, and hopefully in the future we'll get someone to actually explain everything in more detail. For now, let's go ahead and put the seagull in the sky to give you a bird's point of view of this project, because It is pretty neat. Anyway, let's get the bird in the sky. And there you guys go. How awesome, am I right? Now you know how this is going to go. You know how quickly it's going. Heck, in a few weeks, this entire beach is going to look different, and I am just so ecstatic for it. I just want to give a big shout out to the mayor of North Wildwood. He has done a phenomenal job getting this done, working with the governor, and just making sure that we have a beach for this summer. Anyway, I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you on the beach. And yes, for clarification, we are standing in the kids' playground because it gives you the best views, at least at this moment. As they move on, won't be as much, but I've never seen so many adults playing in this at one time. It's so funny. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.
Until the line comes to